The operations on data structures include uh, create, insert, delete, uh, search, sort, merge, traverse, and also update. Yes, update. So I've created a shortcut for that, and what's that shortcut is CID kid and UMSST. So you can see that create means creating an array means I create an array like this, and we will enter the elements anything like this. So you can see create. And insert, what does it mean? Insert means inserting an element, means if we want to put 30 inside this, so it's inserting. And deleting means if we have an array like this, and if we want to delete this, so now we have only 30, 20, 10. Okay, so what do we means by updatation? Updatation means updating the existing array, means if this is the array we have previously, so updating means adding an element like updating. It can be also decrement also means updating, that's why. And let's see merging. What do we call merging? It's like I have you guys now first understand what is a stack. A stack is a linear data structure in which insertion and deletion happens, but only at one end, that is, it is called as top. So it is a linear data structure, like the examples of linear data structures are arrays, linked list, stack, and queue. So yeah, and it what do we call it? The stack follows LIFO. What do you mean by LIFO? LIFO means last in first out. For example, you are putting balls in the basket, and 1, 2, 3, and you when you remove that ball, you choose the last one, like 3, 1. So last in first out, so which is possible, nearest possible, so that's why use last in first out. So yeah, and also there are many examples like browsers back button, like we do also there's a word app, we do undo, so we undo our previous step, means last step. So that was the example. And also there are important stack terms like push, pop, and peek or top, toss, max, overflow, and underflow. Let's see one by one. Push means inserts an element from the top. Pop means delete an element from the top. Removes the from the top. And what do we call peek or top? Peek or top means displaying the element without removing it. Displaying the top element without. Toss means what's the full form? The full form of toss is top of stack. Now we'll just see the overview of that. I will go in depth. So max means maximum capacity of the stack, and overflow means trying to push into a stack with this no space, so it gets overflow. And underflow means you are popping an element where there's nothing, means empty stack. When you are popping the element means removing the trying to remove element. Let's understand the push algorithm. S max array is used to store the stack elements. Max maximum size of the stack. Toss means points to the next empty position. Points to the next empty position. Initially toss is 0. Yes, I will show you the algorithm. So So if initially toss is equal to max, then you will print the stack is overflow. If else, it will go ahead to otherwise it will store the elements in S toss and increase the toss by 1. Means toss equal to toss plus 1, and like toss plus plus like in programming. So the stack follows last in first out. Yes. Peak means it returns the top element without removing it. Peak on top we discussed, and is empty is whether the stack is empty, that checks, and is full, whether the stack is full or not. Stack representation. Stack can be represented using arrays or linked list. Yes. Smax represents the stack. Max represents Smax represents the stack, where max represents the maximum capacity. Toss represents the top of stack, and initially toss is 0. We have discussed that. Push operation, inserting an element. Push means inserting, pop means deleting. Push operation inserts a new element at the top of the stack. It will insert at the top of the stack. That is important word, top. And before insertion, you must check whether the stack is full. You must check that if the stack is full or not. If it is not, we can push, and if it is not, then it will be overflow if we do that. Push operation. The push operation inserts. Yes. Algorithm for push. You will see that. It's very easy. You can see that the first step is start. The second step is if toss equal to max, then we will print stack overflow. Return, it will means if that true, then return, and if not, then else condition. That S toss equal to element means element which is there, it will go to S toss. Understand? Then yes. So when it will go S toss, then toss equal to toss plus 1 is then return. So stack overflow occurs when an attempt is made to insert an element into stack that is already full. I have discussed it. Example, if you have element 10, 20, 30 are pushed into stack, they will be popped in order like 30, 20, 10. Yes. Yes. Push takes constant time 1. Also one thing to remember that